Hi there, Bill Oxidean here. Today I'd like to show you about our new sliding battery trays. They're all full carbon fiber and they're adjustable and slide back and forth in your boat. Beautiful carbon fiber and very strong high quality straps. The base of the mount actually mounts in the boat. It could be in the center or in the tunnels of a cat. And you're going to epoxy along the edges. That makes the base stationary and the tray slides out like this. Basically, you mount your batteries on the top deck like this. You take the whole deck, slide it in the track, and it becomes from there adjustable. Once it's in the track, you adjust it with a 2.5 millimeter driver. But as you see, the batteries slide in different positions, so you can adjust your center of gravity. And once you have it in the position you want, say I want it right here, I'm going to tighten this. The whole system is secure. As I've said, this all happens mounted in the boat. And when you're done, simply loosen it, slide your rack, it comes out like that.